Meet the directors.
Divakar, both.
We, the anchors. Me, Chutni. I, Ritika. Me, Inderpreet.
He is the script writer.
We, creative team.
Divakar, the cinematographer.
Ritika Khanna and me, Chutni, with cameraman Divakar Soap, are here to take you to the beautiful journey of Amity. We have spent 2 beautiful years. We have so many cherished memories to cherish. So let's go and have a look of that. Let's go in a quick flow now. Yeah, sure. You also come on with us. Now we are on the fifth floor. Let's go in and have a look on the Amity campus to show you the Amity campus.
Please follow me. This is a reception area.
Let me introduce you to our front desk manager. This is Ms. Seema Raya. Hi.
Now let me take you to our admin department. This is the place where all the back-end work goes on. This is Ashima. She handles all the admin work of our institution.
This is Ashwini sir. He handles our accounts department. And here we can see Charanjit sir. He is the one responsible for the IT department of our institution.
Now let us take you to the person who is the soul of Amity Chandigarh, Professor Shivali. Now we are in the room of our head, Professor Shivali Dhingra. Now let's know what are her views and how has been her experience with the first pilot batch of Amity Chandigarh. Professor Shivali Dhingra. Well, you know, as everybody knows that all first experiences are always unforgettable experiences. And so is true with this first batch, though I've been a part of Amity for long. But since this is like my own baby, we established the first batch of Amity Chandigarh in 2008. So I must say that this batch is always very, very special to my heart. And I would also say it with conviction that batches will come and batches will go. But this batch will always hold a very, very special place. Not just for me as such, but for the entire Amity Chandigarh family.
Chapter 1. Land of immense talent, and in order to tap this unexploited potential, Amity has opened its campuses all across India, like in Chandigarh, Bhubaneswar, Mumbai, Delhi and Noida. It has attracted the best budding talent and has groomed them as better professionals and good human beings. Chutni, do you know, Amity has even crossed borders now. It has opened up its campuses in London and Singapore to give its students a competitive edge and global exposure. That's really great. Now let's see what the students have to say about it. So let's go, Ritika.
How are you? Hi, Shruti. Hi, Ravi.
What's going on these days?
Yeah, very fine. Have you heard about Amity? It's in London and Singapore both. They have extended their campuses. They are going global.
And now they have partnered with SAP and this ISIC also. And you know what? Our university is the first deemed university to go global, guys.
Yeah,
it's
giving the mainly expanding the culture and exposure giving to the students.
The exposure we all get in Amity is not going to be what we're going to get anywhere, you know, guys.
Yeah, they have expanded their, campuses to London, to Singapore, and they're also planning to open their new international campuses. And I came to know the students from our colleges have also gone to London.
Oh, that is really a good exposure for our students from our college.
Yeah.
Yes.
I think we should all grab the opportunity.
Yeah, why not? Sure. In Birkbeck University, we got our campus. And if we talk about international placements, sky's the limit. Yeah. And you know what the best part is? We got beer over there.
Chapter 2. Now let me take you to the most happening place of any college. Any guesses? Yes, it's the canteen, the area where conspiracy happens. जहाँ पे डिस्कशन होती है कपड़ों की, जहाँ पे बनते हैं प्लॉट्स, जहाँ पे लड़कियों के मेकअप की डिस्कशन होती है, चुगली होती है, चिट चैट होती है। आई थिंक हम थोड़ी जल्दी आ गए हैं। हाँ, यहाँ पे खाना भी मिलता है। मिलवाते हैं आपको हमारे कैंटीन के ओनर से। देखिए कितना अच्छा मेन्यू है और ये प्रोवाइड करते हैं हमें सबसे टेस्टी टेस्टी खाने, लजीज पकवान। फिर आइए पूछते हैं हम कि कॉलेज के बच्चे यहाँ पे क्या कर रहे हैं। आप कैंटीन में क्या कर रही हैं? गॉसिपिंग करती हैं आप कॉलेज यहाँ पे? आपका फेवरेट मेन्यू में क्या है?
वैसे तो यहाँ पे सब कुछ अच्छा मिलता है, पर मैगी, आलू के पराठे सब अच्छा है।
ओके, आलू के पराठे बहुत फेमस है इनके। आइए पूछते हैं भानुप्रिया से। भानुप्रिया, आपका फेवरेट क्या है कैंटीन में? मैगी इज ऑलवेज एवरीबॉडीज फेवरेट। ओह उल्लास, हाउ आर यू डूइंग? तू की करता है?
रैश मस्ती।
अच्छा, सारा दिन क्या एक्शन करी थी आपका कैंटीन?
पूरा सेमेस्टर आके तो मिली है रैश।
हाँ, की खाना पसंद है ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਕੀ ਖਾਓਗੇ आज?
जो मर्जी खा दो।
फिर भी ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਕੀ पसंद है?
पराठे।
चलो, तो आपने देखा कि कैंटीन में बच्चे करते हैं मस्ती, गपशप, गॉसिप और बस मस्ती। एंड मिलता है यहाँ पे बहुत डिलीशियस खाना।
चैप्टर 3।
बिग बॉस के रूम से इतने उछड़े हुए चेहरे क्यों निकल रहे हैं? आओ चल के पूछे इनसे क्या हुआ। अरे ये तो अपूर्व है। क्या हुआ अपूर्व? इतना मुंह क्यों लटका रखा है?
यार अंडरटेकिंग मिल गई मुझे।
क्यों? बहुत क्यों?
ये देख इन्फॉर्मेशन कराना कैजुअल में।
ओहो, तुम्हें क्या हुआ भानु? भानु बैग लेके कहाँ जा रही है तू?
अरे यार मुझे तो एज यूजुअल मॉर्निंग लेक्चर मिल गई है बंक करने की।
As it's rightly said by Robin Sharma in his book Bull Cry When You Die, that the only key success factor for any person is tough love. That's called discipline. So in Amity we believe in discipline. The prime importance and the priority is given to discipline, so that a person can build his professional excellence as well as become a good human.
Chapter